and black. Followed by number 2, Chris Gould in the white, pink, and blue. Number 3, Greg Jones in the gold and black and the shiny top. Disco top, sorry. Number 4, Brian Shook, national champ in the orange, white, and black. And Tyson Blood in the very back. I can't see it. I think it's orange. And so that's our starting lineup. 5 drivers, 6-minute race. Corners ready. Drivers ready. Go when I call your name. Go Gene. Go Chris. Go Greg. Go Brian. And Tyson. And that starts. Looks like Shook's struggling a little bit with the dropping somewhere there. Chris Gould taking over right away at 15-9. 16-4. And Brian Shook sitting in second at 16-4. Tyson 16-9. Greg Jones 17-3. And Gene 17-7. Your leaders right now, Chris Gould in the white, pink, and blue, or purple.
15-6. 16-3.
Tyson's car showing a little excessive body rub. Oh, we got carnage. Carnage before the straightaway. Chris Gould rolling over on his lid. That's going to drop him to the back of the pack now. Brian Shook out front, followed by Tyson, Gene, Greg, and Chris. So Brian Shook, the orange, white, and black on the straightaway. That is your leader. Number 45.
16-5.
Brian Shook leading Tyson Blood by 1.2 seconds. Tyson, the other bright orange and white and black car. The Kyosho Depot.
18-1. Chris Gould.